Hi folks, in today's criminal justice lecture and workshop we're going to be looking at police investigations, the development of PACE and the impact that miscarriages of justice have had on the criminal justice system. In the workshop then you'll be given the opportunity to select a miscarriage of justice from England and Wales and do some research and then talk about your findings. I've checked and the attendance for the last couple of workshops has been quite poor. I've been asked by the policing staff to send me a list of the policing students and their attendance. If you're a policing student, then I'll be sending them obviously your attendance or lack of it as the case may be. We'll be checking attendance today. Obviously, I don't think this will be an uninteresting subject, as you will have the opportunity to explore some of the reasons why the criminal justice system has developed as it has based on the results of these quite significant miscarriages of justice in our history. So I hope to see you all at 3 o'clock before the lecture and then subsequently for the workshop. Thank you.